Hey there, welcome to TechTube. Today I'm going to talk a little bit about how you can live stream your game from Bigo Live from your website or PC. So uh, there are some ways to do that. If you're going to use the Bigo Live streamer and connector, then you just need to set up a similar way that you do it normally, right? So normally what you do is just like this. You just open your or just use your front cam, right? So on the game, if you want to stream a game, what you need to do is maybe put your front cam on the some corners or some place and share screen at the same time, right? So that's the way. Well, if you're using a OBS, then again it's really easy. Just put some sources. So let's say I can add a game capture. So if you have a different like hardware to capture games or capture your display, then you can use this. And video capture device is a similar thing, right? So you can add your front cam too, just like that, and you can preview it. So where do you want your front cam to be, right? On the corners or wherever you want. So just do that and start streaming, and that's it. That's how you stream a game from PC. So if you like this content, make sure you like and share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.